Savings Month continues here at Peterman Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. Have you been having any problems with your drainage system? Or was your home built before 1970? If so, you're in luck. For the rest of June, we're offering an incredible deal on a sewer line replacement. Hi everyone, I'm Chad Peterman for the Homeowner's Handbook. If you've been looking to get a faulty sewer line replaced or have been experiencing repeated plumbing problems and just not sure what's causing it, we have a deal for you. At Peterman, we're all about saving you money. So for June, we've decided to cut the price of sewer line replacement by $1,500. That's right, we're offering $1,500 off a sewer line replacement or 72 months interest-free financing. This deal includes standard sewer replacement, trenchless sewer replacement, or if you want to update from a septic to city sewer. Not sure which option may be best for you? No problem. We'd be happy to send out a plumber for a free sewer evaluation and quote. If you want to learn more about our sewer replacement services or see other deals we're running this month, check out the links in the description, and if you're interested in a free quote to replace your sewer line, give us a call or text us. We'd be happy to see how we can bring our incredible services to you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.